Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this captivating video, we invite you to embark on a journey of serenity and discovery through the enchanting world of exotic yoga. Join us as we explore unique and lesser-known yoga practices that will awaken your senses and elevate your yoga experience. Exotic yoga offers a diverse range of styles that draw inspiration from various cultures and traditions. In this video, we'll introduce you to mesmerizing practices such as acro yoga, kundalini yoga, aerial yoga, and more. Each style has its own distinct essence and brings a touch of magic to your mat. Acro yoga combines elements of acrobatics and yoga, allowing you to experience the joy of partnership and trust through dynamic movements. Kundalini yoga focuses on breathwork, meditation, and energy awakening, guiding you towards inner balance and self-realization. Aerial yoga takes your practice to new heights as you gracefully move through poses using a suspended hammock.
Through stunning visuals and inspiring demonstrations, we'll showcase the beauty and benefits of each exotic yoga style. You'll witness the strength, flexibility, mindfulness, and serenity that these practices cultivate. Whether you're a seasoned yogi or new to the mat, exotic yoga offers a fresh and invigorating approach to your practice. It encourages you to step outside your comfort zone, embrace new challenges, and discover the limitless potential within yourself. Subscribe to our channel now and join us on this transformative journey of exotic yoga. Get ready to experience serenity, ignite your curiosity, and find new dimensions in your yoga practice. Together, let's explore the wonders of exotic yoga and create a deeper connection with our bodies, minds, and souls.